Hello guys, so we have a problem here involving the application of the first order differential equation called the orthogonal trajectories. So we have a problem here. Find the orthogonal trajectories of the family of curves x is equal to ky squared where k is the arbitrary constant. So ito yung k which is the parameter of a curve that involves here in our function. So how are we going to do that? So let k is the parameter nga. So, i-isolate natin yung k. So, divide natin both sides by y squared. So, k is equal to x all over y squared. So, itatabi lang muna natin ito mamaya kasi isa-substitute natin to. Right after we differentiate this and we get the differential of y with respect to x. So, what is the derivative of this one? So, we'll go into differentiate this implicitly. So, x is equal to ky squared. So, d all over dx. So, differentiate natin with respect to x. So, what's the derivative of x? That is 1 is equal to k. Simply put natin to. Tapos ito, derivative of y squared is 2y dy over dx. Tapos, ititira lang natin syempre sino? dy over dx. By what? Divide natin to both sides by, or multiply natin both sides by 1 all over 2ky. Then, cancel ito. So, magiging ang ano natin is 1 all over 2ky is equal to dy all over dx. Yan. So, since eto na nga, di ba? Since meron tayong representation of k which is over the parameter of the curve, substitute natin itong x all over y squared dito. So, magiging 1 all over 2 times x all over y squared times y. So, y time cancel natin isang y. So, magiging 1 all over ito, multiply natin ito sa x. So, ibig sabihin, 2x all over y. Or inverse natin yung property, magiging y all over 2x, diba? Or, pwede rin namang sabihin natin, 1 over 1 times y all over 2x. Ganyan yung parang analogy niya. Okay? Okay ba yun, guys? Bakit 1 over 1? Etong 1 is ito. Divide natin ito sa 1, diba? Tapos ito, pagbalik tayo natin ito. Diba kapag magdi-division tayo ng mga complex fractions, lagi nating piniflip ito kapag i-multiply natin. So, magiging yung d of dy over dx natin is equal to y over 2x. Now, to get the orthogonal trajectory of this part, sabi sa rule, you're going to get the reciprocal of this part negatively. So, yung magiging orthogonal trajectory ng ating function, lagyan natin ng, ayan, sa may ng notation, dy over dx orth is equal to negative 2x all over y. Then, cross multiply natin, tapos integrate. So, what is the cross multiplication of this one? Y dy is equal to negative 2x dx. Tapos, integrate natin to. Okay? So, what's the integral of y dy? That is y squared all over 2 is equal to, what's the integration of this one? Negative 2x is negative 2x squared all over 2 plus c. So, since negative 2, cancel to, ang magiging sagot natin is y squared all over 2 is equal to negative x squared plus c. Pero since nakaka-bother, diba, na meron tayong over 2 dito, multiply natin to, both sides by 2. Cancel this one. So, magiging y squared is equal to negative 2x squared plus 2c. Tapos, etong part na to, transpose natin to sa kabila para uniform. So, magiging y squared plus 2x squared. Then, itong 2c, i-absorb na to ng arbitrary constant. So, ito na yung magiging sagot natin. This is the orthogonal trajectories across this function, x is equal to y squared. So, I hope you learned something about this video and good luck!